In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sign-up form in Klaviyo. Once you are logged into your Klaviyo account, look to the left-hand navigation menu. Find Website, then click it. Under Website, choose Sign Up Forms. This area is where Klaviyo keeps all of your on-site forms, so it is the best place to start when you want to capture new subscribers. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create Form. Klaviyo will open the template library, where you can choose a starting design instead of building from scratch. Select a template that fits your goal. For a basic email capture, a template like Collect Emails is a solid option. Templates are helpful because they already include a layout and typical fields, and you can customize everything afterward. After you select a template, you will move into the basic setup. Start by naming your form. This name is for internal organization, so choose something that clearly describes where it will be used, such as your homepage pop-up or a newsletter form. A clear name makes it easier to find later, especially when you have multiple forms running. Then choose the list where new subscribers will be added. This is important because it controls where contacts go in Klaviyo, and it affects the flows and campaigns they may receive. Select the list you use for general marketing emails, such as a newsletter list, or whichever list matches the purpose of this form. Once the name and list are set, click Create Form to enter the editor. Inside the editor, focus on design first. Use styles to match your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, and other styling so the form feels consistent with your website. Keeping the design aligned with your site helps the form look trustworthy and intentional. After styling, set when and how the form appears. Click Targeting and Behaviors. Here, you can choose triggers like exit intent, or you can set a time delay, such as showing the form after 5 seconds. Choose the behavior that fits your audience and avoids being too disruptive. Finally, review everything and click Publish in the top right. Publishing makes the form live on your site, and that covers everything you need to know.